Do you need more canvas space? Yearning for more areas to draw on a canvas that you've already created? Let's jump in and look at how easy this is and how it can really improve your workflow inside of Procreate. Great, so we have a canvas here that I've already created, some really simple sketching of some forms, and I'm liking what's going on, but maybe I want to turn off this background that I've inserted, and I want to go further with this, but I'm running out of space. We can resize our canvas, and it's going to be a great way to continue on what we're doing, keep that flow going, and keep it all on the same canvas. So how do we do this? We're going to jump up into the adjustments panel up here, and we're going to tap on the very first option there, crop and resize. Now, this is going to allow us to have a look at the settings in the top right here. We've got cancel, settings, reset, and done. Or we can actually use our finger or Apple Pencil as well. And we can just drag this out. And when we do this, we are going to get a nice little reference there to the pixels. This canvas is set in pixels, and I can keep adjusting that as much as I want, using the guides as reference. See, when I pull this out, I'm going to undo that really quickly, and I'm going to try and do that again. Bring that out to there, bring that out to there. Great. Once you're happy with that, we can hit done, and you're going to see that I have so much more room on that canvas. This can be great if you start in portrait and you're like, oh, maybe I want to go landscape. There's obviously other ways to do this as well, but I really like this crop and resize feature because it does give you a lot of control over your canvas. Get out there and do this one because it can really take your Procreate game to the next level.